Hello, digital how-tos. Welcome back. Today I wanted to talk about Pictory. Before we get started, please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and also check my description out for how to make money online. So this website is called Pictory, and basically what it is it's a website that is AI generated for videos or article to video. So script to video, article to video, you can edit videos using text or visuals to video. And it is a paid site. It is not free. You can try it for free, but if you're going to download it and upload it on YouTube or wherever you want, TikTok, then it will have their watermark unless you pay for it. So let me show you how to use this. First, once you sign up and you get in, this is how it looks like. I'm going to make a YouTube video today. So I'm going to do script to video today. So I'm going to press proceed here. And here is where you start your script or paste your script. So I've already written mine. And I'm going to paste it. And it's right here. Then I'm going to click proceed right here. And at this point, these are the templates that they have that you can choose from, like how you want your video to look like. So I think I'm going to go with something that is more Zen, because my article is about, or my script is about, Zen and spirituality and stuff. So I'm going to pick something like this. So then you select it here, whichever template you like. Then here you're going to do a 16:9 or the TikTok size or the 1:1. So I'm doing a YouTube video mock-up for you guys to see. So I'm going to use this one and click continue. At this point, you're just going to sit here and wait, and it's literally going to generate the video and create the images for your video too. So while I'm waiting, this part takes pretty fast. Sometimes it's slow because they have a lot of people using it, so it does become slow. And sometimes it's fast. So it really depends on the day and the time that you're on. But right now it looks good. So there you go. It's completed. Just a couple more seconds. And then we're going to be in. So there you go. So this is how it would look like here. So it broke out my whole script into scenes. So every time you click on a scene, that's what it's going to look like. Like that. And then you can also preview it here, but right now there's no talking, so obviously this doesn't really do anything. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go click onto audio. And from here, you can pick their background music so you can listen to it, and see which one you like. You just click that to listen. If you like it, you can apply it to your video here, which I'm not going to add add this video, this music. Or you can also heart that here so it's easier to find. And so you would have to go through their library, or you can also search up here what kind of mood you want. Something gentle and soft maybe for this video because it's about spirituality. So let's listen to this. It's still a little too loud. Yeah, that's too fast. So considering that this is the gentle soft mode, I don't quite like that. So I'm going to find something else. Let's try sad. Maybe it's slower. Okay, I'm just going to go with this one, the Birds of Paradise. I'm going to apply that. Then it applied to the video already. So now you can preview it. See, and it's playing the video. You can also click into settings here, and from here you can loop your video, hide your text, or do your background music. You can apply to all right there. So every single clip has the music. Oh, my battery's low. Okay. And see, if you preview here, you can hear the music. If you scroll to your next scene and you preview here, the music's still there. So it's that simple. Then you're going to click voiceover here. And at this point, you can, pick whichever voice you like.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that...
So there's a whole bunch of new ones that they just added. So I'm just going to pick, I like this girl. Where did she go? I think her name was Joanna.
Welcome to Pictory.
Yeah.
It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
So you're going to click apply and then check your settings. VoiceOver, you want to apply to all. There you go. And so now when you preview your video, it's going to talk too.
By challenging the norms and expectations of society, the trickster can help individuals to break free from limiting beliefs and patterns of behavior.
See, so that sounds good. And then also, you can hide your text here too. So if you click this and you play it, your text is gone. But it's only
by challenging the norms and expectations of society, the trickster can help individuals to break free from limiting beliefs and patterns of behavior.
So it's only for that one screen, but you can also apply to all. But this video, I'm just going to leave this text on there. And then also there's text, so you can go in, add a subtitle, say, please subscribe, for example. And then you can move that. And also make it like, oh. And then you can make it smaller here. Let's do 30. And then you can also, play around, do it bold, sorry, not bold. And then when you're done, you can save the style. But I'm not going to add that. And then the next one is styles here, where your intro, your outro and stuff, but I'm not going to use that. But you can, so right now it's there, but you can also change it to that, or the intro style like that. But the bold yellow looks nice. And then also branding. You can put your logo in here and upload it. I don't have one, so I can't do that. And then obviously you can change to portrait, landscape, or square. And for visuals, for example, if I didn't like this, I could literally drag this video over. Whoops. Or sorry, not drag. You would click it like this. And it would just pop over. If I didn't like it and I want to go undo it, you just click undo here. And it goes back to your original video that you picked. So you can scroll through your script like this. And if you didn't like a video, you can just change it, the background of the video. And it's that simple. And the whole video is basically done. Once you're done, also you could search here. So if you're looking for something specific, then you can search right here and it's going to pop up a video. So let's search for moms, for example. Then it's going to show a bunch of pictures of moms, for example, with their babies and stuff. And then you can just click it. And it's in. And then undo it. It's that simple. And so once you're done editing everything and everything looks good to you, you can also, say if you wanted to move a scene here, if you wanted to move this, drag to reorganize. Whoops. So say scene 13, I want to move it up here, for example. You click that and you can drag it. See, it goes up here. But because that's my order, I'm not going to drag it up, but I just want to show you that. Also, here, oops. Okay, so here, if you click this, you can change your background to that, for example. Or solid colors down here. There's like a lot that you can do. And then you can go back to the library. But I'm going to change it back because I'd rather have the video. And I think that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. Once you're done, it also shows you up here how many minutes your video is. Once you're done, you're going to click generate. And you can do spreadsheet to social video, or you could do a video. So I'm going to click video. And it's going to start creating the scenes and generating the video. And then you're pretty much done. You just click download after it goes into your computer. So once it's done, let me show you that. Okay, so I paused the download because I forgot to show you guys something. So because we added the audio here earlier, if you want it lower or higher, you can click audio settings here. This is where you can do your background louder or more quiet. So let me just show you. If I put it louder and I preview this, it's going to sound very loud on top of the...
Before we continue, please don't forget to check out my description for free moon reading.
On top of the AI speaking, so it could be distracting. So I would bring it back here. I think I'm just going to do like a 3. And let's try that. I also think that this is very good if...
Before we continue, please don't forget to check out my description for free moon reading.
Yeah, so I like that. It's barely there. It's very discreet. So that's perfect. So I'm going to generate that now. So you just got to wait. This part takes a little longer to generate because it has to create the scene and then generate the video. I wanted to mention too that, you know, this is a good website if you want to make YouTube videos, faceless YouTube videos. You could use this and you could do like, you know, a channel, like look in the, obviously check out to see what you like and what is, you know, happening and stuff. But, you know, something that would be like a good channel, I would think, is like documentaries on like history and, you know, stuff like that. People love watching that stuff. And so you can make like hours and hours of it and just post it in like seconds because this thing is doing it for you. You just have to write your own script, or you can use ChatGPT to write your script for you, or ChatSonic, and you know, obviously reword it after and stuff and just post it. So let me tell you the pricing while we're doing that, while we're generating it. So the pricing for the AI, where's the pricing? So my subscriptions. So I did subscribe to it for a month just to check it out. But this is the subscription prices. If you're doing monthly, this is what I paid, $47. And the standard is $23, but you get 30 videos only. This is USD, so if you're somewhere around the world, the conversion rate will change and this price will change. You only get 10-minute text to video, but this one you get 20 hours and customize, save 10 brands, templates, and so forth. So you get a little bit more. You only get 34 AI voices here, which isn't bad either. So $47, it is pricey, but you know, you get 20 hours of videos, which isn't bad. This one you get 30 videos a month. So, you know, it's pretty decent. But if you did the year, you get 2 months free at $39 a month. And I do have a coupon code, which I will put down below, that you get 20% off. So if you want to try it or try it with the watermark, but if you like it and you want to subscribe to it, then you can use my code on the bottom and get 20% off. So it's generating pretty fast all of a sudden. Look at that. But we still got this step. So once it's done, let me show you. Okay, so it's done downloading. So at this point, all you have, or it's done generating, sorry. Then you just click download here and it's downloading to my computer. Once it's done, let me just show you how it looks like. And downloads. Let's see. I gotta find it. I have so much stuff in here that I need to organize.
The occult meaning of the trickster. The trickster archetype is a common and important figure in many cultures and mythologies around the world. It is a complex and multifaceted concept that has been interpreted in various ways throughout history.
See, so as you can tell, it's very good. And, you know, you can obviously change this. You can move the text and stuff like that. I hope you guys check it out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.